Hi, I'm Kate. Today's video lesson is about asking questions about the names of things. When you want to know the name of something and you don't know the name, what can you say? Let's find out. The question you can ask is, what's this? Let's look at this picture. Do you know the name of this object? What's this? That's correct. It's a book. When you want to give an answer, you can say it's. For example, it's a book. Let's look at another picture. We use this to write. What's this? Yes, that's right. It's a pen. Here's something else we use a lot. We use it to carry our belongings. What's this? That's right. It's a bag. We use this device all the time. Maybe a bit too much. What's this? That's great. It's a phone. Let's look at one last picture. What's this? Well done! It's a car. Let's recap. What question do you ask to know the name of things? What's this? Let's conclude. Today we learnt how to ask questions about something using what's this? How to give the name of something. Thank you for watching. See you later.